Hello, welcome to my channel. In this video I'll be making roasted bell pepper salad with mushrooms and tomato sauce. For this salad you need bell peppers, mushrooms, tomatoes, garlic, cilantro and dill. Let's get started. Preheat oven to 350 degrees. I will use parchment paper for baking tray. Gently remove seeds out of pepper. Place bell pepper on the baking sheet and push mushrooms as well. Grease these vegetables with vegetable oil. Bake about 20–30 minutes until the skin darkness. Now it's time to make a sauce. Let's start with cilantro, where I cut the stem off, separate branches and chop them. After grate tomatoes, starting at the cut end, grate tomatoes until all that's left is the flattened tomato skin, and place in the mixing bowl. I will use 2 minced garlic cloves and add some cilantro with dill. Add a pinch of salt, some fresh ground pepper and 2 tablespoons of oil. Then mix all ingredients together. Now roasted peppers are ready. Place the peppers in a bowl, cover with foil or plastic wrap. Let's cool for 10–15 minutes for steam. Roasted peppers are amazingly juicy. Then peel the peppers. They steam and soften up, and I can just go through just peel the skin right off. Let's cut it into strips and place pepper in the mixing bowl with roasted mushrooms. Now is final mix with the sauce. Taste and add more salt and pepper if necessary. Warm and cold roast veggie salad is healthy and delicious. Try this roasted bell pepper salad at home and let me know your feedback. Thanks for watching and find the full written recipe in the video description below. Don't forget to subscribe, smash a like button, follow, and I will share new simple food recipe with you.